Hello there. My name is Obi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the love and I do appreciate it so well. Please, if you're new to my channel, welcome on board. Welcome to the family. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you've not done so, please, okay, what are you waiting for? Hit on the subscribe button right now and be fully part of the family. Click on the notification bell also so that you get to know anytime I upload a new video. Today we'll be discussing about condoms. We'll be discussing on how to use a condom. Yes. Condom is a form of contraception and this is a male condom. There is also a female condom, but because of its technicality, we will not be discussing that for now. And because this is more common to use as a means of contraception, we'll be discussing this. This is a sealed condom. Usually, before you make use of a condom, ensure you check. Every condom has an expiry date, a manufacturing date, and an expiry date. Just like the food we eat too, or whatever we put into our mouth, this also have, because it is produced using chemicals, and if it is expired, it is also could also be detrimental to you when you use it. Like this one I have on, its expiry date is December 2021, so we're still safe using it. Then, using a condom, it is very wrong to do this. Very wrong. Why? Because there are chemicals used to prepare this and also to preserve it. It is wrong to use your teeth to open it, because while using your teeth, some particles of this form of chemical could get into your mouth and you ingest them, and that is not good for you or for your health. So what do? You see it has dotted or zigzag marks on it on both sides. They all have the zigzag parts, the papers. So this is in order to make opening it to be very easy. Pick on any of these zigged parts and rip off. Voila, as easy as that. It just comes off. Any part of it you hold, it tears off. Any part of it, it goes off. So you pick on the uppermost part and do that. It rips off, rather than do like that. Pity for you for doing that. So ladies and guys, pay attention to this. For the ladies, ensure you tell your man, and for the guys, please, this is the right thing to do and not this. So when you do this, wearing it, when you bring it out to use, yes, you see there's a path. The tip of the penis shouldn't get to the end of the condom. When you wear it, usually you roll it up. You roll it up to your penis and you leave the tip. Look at it. Even men looking at it, you can see that there's a tip of it that is not as wide as the other path. You leave off this tip. You don't wear your penis till this place. That is wrong. Leave up this tip. Allow this tip to go free, so that it can carry or house the sperm when ejaculated. When you leave up this part, when you ejaculate, your sperm sits here. And when you're done and you're to pull out, you just pull out immediately and drop into the waist or into the wood. But when you allow it to get to this end, there is no space for the sperm to be in. It can actually pull off. You could still be in the woman's vagina and your condom will pull off, because the sperm will make the whole, your penis, the condom, everything to be slimy, and you lose your condom might actually go into the woman, and this is not a good sight. That way you've actually lost its purpose of both acting as a form of contraception and also preventing STDs, because when it pulls off from your penis, it goes into the woman. Every sperm could pour, some part of the sperm could pour into her, and that unwanted pregnancy you were trying to prevent would not be possible again. And also you might get to infect her with some STDs if you have any. So like I said, allow a part of it to hang down that would contain your penis, and your sperm. And also when you're to pull off, you pull off straight into the toilet. And please, it is wrong to reuse your condoms. You do not reuse it. It is one use and trash, not to be repeated. Just in case you repeat, repeating it would not give you effective protection anymore, and it is actually wrong. So please do not reuse your condoms. This is for one use and throw away. So I hope you found this video educative and you learned something new. Do well to share this video to your friends and family, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. And always remember to stay happy and create a happy place. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you in my next video.